Today, I'll DIY this homopolar motor while blindfolded with instructions from my friends. One will help me and the other will distract me.
First, you will need a...
Wait, are you the correct person?
I don't know. You'll find out. You place your hand forward. Someone. You touch the tray, right? On your left hand. Left hand. Move more to the left. There's a battery. Can you pick up a battery?
I knew it was a circuit.
You need a screw.
No. That's a spray. That's a spray.
This is the correct one.
No, Ayuna, this is a battery. Your right hand is holding a battery.
Oh no, this is the battery. This is here.
No, but you don't need that.
Okay. Then
what do you mean you don't need that? Yes. So after a battery, you need a wire.
It was a circuit.
You need a copper wire.
This is correct.
Okay, then I know this is wrong.
You need a copper wire.
It's in front.
Copper
Yes. So more to your left.
My left.
No, to your right, sorry.
To my right.
Okay, yes, that's a copper wire.
Are you sure?
Okay.
Yes, you need these two.
It's not the copper wire.
Yes, that's it. Okay, so she has two components. Now she will need glue. You need glue. So your left hand, place forward. Cheryl, you need glue. Where are you going?
You need circular magnet.
Yes. This is glue.
Not glue. You don't need glue. Why do you need glue?
This is glue.
Yes, you need glue. Okay.
I don't need glue for a circuit.
Yeah, exactly.
No, you need glue.
You need a circular.
Wait, you switch already or not?
Cheryl, you are doing wrong.
Find the flat
You
side.
need to glue magnet together with the battery.
Wait, why am I gluing the magnet too?
Exactly.
To the battery?
No, we don't need.
No, don't need.
Magnet.
You don't need.
Already.
But it will fall
Okay,
out.
I
Don't need.
Okay,
Must listen to me.
Okay, now you need string.
A piece of paper.
Okay. No,
No, this is not butterfly. More towards left. Holographic butterfly.
No. Left some more. Left.
Yeah, this one's correct.
No, why you take? Why you
Butterfly, right? You can feel it,
you don't
right?
need a
It's a
paper for
butterfly. That one is a blue
It's a
tag.
butterfly.
You don't need a paper for circuit.
I
You
want
need a string.
butterfly.
She want butterfly. Must listen to Cheryl.
Why you want butterfly?
Butterfly for
Okay, I take string also. Where's the string?
Okay, string. Forward. There's the two square trays, right? Okay, wait. Down, left. It's on the table. Left, forward.
That one is a screw.
Forward. Okay, on yes. Ah,
What is this?
You don't need that. You don't need that.
You want? That one don't need. That one is squishy.
Where's the string? This
Oh
one?
dear, no. Okay, left. Okay. Yes, do you feel the string?
No! Oh my god, not the thing! Okay, next.
There's no
butterfly.
string. Yes. What's next after my butterfly?
Okay, we don't have a string. Okay, next. Put this butterfly on your... stick it to the bottom of the magnet.
No. Stick on the copper wire. This is to decorate.
Okay, very good. Okay, done. Good.
No, it's wrong.
No!
The butterfly should go on the side. Yeah, correct. Yeah, correct.
Why?
This one decoration.
Oh, then you move
Yes.
Okay, then just slide it over.
Oh, now you need the string.
just slide
Now
it
then
over.
we need the
Okay,
string.
so now you put your entire setup flat on the table.
Just now we need a string, right?
Okay.
You find
Okay.
Don't need put the
No,
first.
just leave
You
it
find
flat.
the string
Leave it
first.
flat.
Cheryl, we need a
Your
string
copper
now.
wire.
Yeah.
You don't need a string. Why do you need a string?
Left hand. We need a string.
Eh, that string is fake.
Now the copper wire using your right hand, feel the tip. There is a tip that bends inwards, correct?
Yeah, you can bend this.
Right?
Bend your left
right
hand.
side,
Bend.
the bend portion needs to touch the top.
Top of what? Oh, the battery. Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Yes, so it has to balance that.
I put the butterfly here.
Okay, can. Very important, butterfly.
Maybe adjust.
Adjust the top.
Oh, I feel it moving. Is it just me?
No. It's not.
Hey, it's moving, right?
It's supposed to move, yes.
It's moving,
Yeah, so you need to find that.
Balance.
Okay.
Is it moving? It's moving! Yeah! Can I open my eyes?
Yes.
Okay. Wow!
Okay, now guess which one?
This one.
So if you want to try more of such activities or if you want to explore others,
Come to TinkerFest!
and it's happening from
From 21st May to
14 June. See you guys
See you there!